A lot of people are talking about build versus buy as if they were living in 2015. The truth is the whole landscape has shifted, and that too in just the last 2 years. 2 years ago or more, if you wanted to start any piece of technology, you needed to hire a CTO, a chief product officer, a director of product, a bunch of engineers, maybe dozens, if not multiple dozens, all costing $200,000 plus a year, and they would spend months, if not years, building one product. Just take DocuSign, for example, a very, very simple product, signing documents online. There's literally millions, if not billions of dollars of spend that they have on labor of managing their engineering and their team. That was the only way to get software made, and that's why they were able to justify charging such high prices. The reality today is completely different. With a team of one person that knows how to use Windsurf or Cursor or OpenAI or any LLM to help them write code, they can create products and features in a much, much faster way and in a more efficient manner than a team of dozens of engineers could have in the past. I personally have seen it myself. I worked at Microsoft where we had about 40 engineers on our team, and we would ship features in 2-week sprints. In 2 weeks, the amount of work that we would produce, I see now in my team, one person can ship in a matter of days. This change has completely shifted the way that companies need to be thinking about build versus buy. Build versus buy has always been this concept where if something exists out there, you should just buy it because it'll be cheaper, easier, better in the long run. The reality is that's completely shifted now, or at least that curve has completely decreased. More and more things are becoming better and better to build because off-the-shelf software won't solve your company's unique use cases. Think about DocuSign, going back to them as an example. They will give you a standard document signing platform, but now if you need to have 5 different people signing and you need to have a wet signature in there and you need to have additional complexities of notarization or based on certain cases to send specific documents, DocuSign's not building that for you. They're not going to customize their product for you. But today, with a couple of developers and a little bit of time and a very small amount of money, you can create a custom workflow with AI using tools that will basically replace your entire enterprise DocuSign subscription and provide you a better, more useful, cheaper, higher quality product in a matter of months, if not weeks. There is a catch to all this though. Maintenance is the new bottleneck. Making these tools is not difficult. Really, you can do it today. Ask ChatGPT to give you a code, or go to Cursor and ask it to create you an app that replaces DocuSign, and it'll give you a pretty good working prototype very quickly. The problem comes with the other stuff, the deployment, the security, the maintenance, the ongoing making sure that the product is staying online. That is the new bottleneck. And that is something that you need to rely on someone to help you with. Most companies do not have any muscle for maintaining tools currently. So even if they build something amazing, maintaining it for the long run will be a challenge. For the smartest companies today, design with maintaining in mind, making products and services that are serverless, easier to maintain, that don't require much upkeep, because that'll allow them to use the product for a lifetime. We've been helping companies figure out the build versus buy decision for over a decade. So if you need any help or are thinking about it, shoot us a message and we're more than happy to help you out. The question isn't, can you build this? With AI, the answer to that is always yes. The real question is, can you own what you build, or are you just creating future tech debt that you're gonna have to pay back another time?